7 वीक्स पहले जो मूवमेंट्स डिफिकल्ट लग रही होंगी, नाउ योर बॉडी इज स्लोली ट्रस्टिंग दोज मूवमेंट्स अगेन. Hello everyone, this is Nisha. Welcome to my channel Nisha Yogic Life. With rheumatoid arthritis and stiffness, day to day movements difficult हो सकती हैं और कभी-कभी exhausting भी हो सकती हैं. This week 7 routine will help you to ease those daily movements and your posture also. Let's start the video. Let's start with the warm up. Wrist rotate करेंगे सामने की तरफ, arm straight, elbow straight and fist and start rotating the wrist. Yes, 3, 4, 5. Now in opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Hands down. Now neck rotate करेंगे starting from the right, bend to the back and left and front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will start from the opposite side, from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. थोड़ी चेस्ट ओपनिंग, एल्बोस को चेस्ट के सामने जॉइन करेंगे. इनहेल करते हुए साइड में, एक्सहेल करते हुए फ्रंट. इनहेल साइड, एक्सहेल फ्रंट. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Arms down and relax. Now hands chest के साइड पे और नीज को रेज करेंगे वन बाय वन. राइट नी टू राइट हैंड, लेफ्ट नी टू लेफ्ट हैंड एज पर योर कैपेसिटी. 1, 2, 3, 4. अगर आप इन बिटवीन कहीं यहाँ तक जा रहे हैं दैट इज ऑल्सो 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. वेरी गुड. नाउ हैंड्स को इस तरह से साइड में, नाउ नीज को एल्बो में टच करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down and relax. Now wall के अगेंस्ट खड़े होके posture करेक्ट करेंगे. Heels touching the wall, hips touching the wall, neck, shoulder touching the wall and head to the wall. Hands and shoulder also touching the wall. इसको हम for 1 minute होल्ड करेंगे टू करेक्ट द posture. शोल्डर्स अलाइन होंगे क्योंकि वॉल के अगेंस्ट उसको टच करके हम खड़े हैं. होल्ड करके शोल्डर्स आर रोल्ड बैक. यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो फॉर डे टू डे प्रैक्टिस. मैं रोज शेयर करती हूँ डेली मूवमेंट, 2 or 3 मूवमेंट्स, and this is the complete routine. Yes, 1 minute for posture correction. Very good, nice. लीव द वॉल. नाउ शोल्डर्स को पीछे की तरफ रोल करेंगे. यस, इनहेल करते हुए शोल्डर अप टू द ईयर. एक्सहेल करते हुए रोल करेंगे शोल्डर को, देन डाउन. इनहेल, shoulder back. Exhale, shoulder rolled back and down. Inhale, shoulder up. Exhale, shoulder back and down. Inhale, shoulder up. Exhale, shoulder back and down. Last two. Inhale, shoulder up. Exhale, shoulder back and down. Inhale, shoulder up. Exhale, shoulder back and down. Very good. Now movement के लिए मैंने बताया था कि बैठना है without any support और खड़े होना है that is also without any support. Initially you can take the support but try to practice without support. Now we will start with 1 minute jogging. On spot jogging करेंगे धीरे धीरे as per your capacity. 1 minute jogging. Yes, very good, very nice. You can jog through your mat also if it feels comfortable to you. Yes, jogging, very good. Yes, yes, come back to center and relax. Okay, हम मूवमेंट ऐड करेंगे हमारे प्रीवियस वीक से भी. इनहेल करेंगे और एक्सेल करते हुए डाउन. Yes, relax here, loosen up your arms, your neck should be relaxed and stay there. Relax. Forward bend. You will feel nice stretch in your hamstring, back of the legs. Very good. Now slowly inhale, exhale, arms down. One more time, इसी को repeat करेंगे. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Yes, relax your arms. Neck should be relaxed. Stay there for few breaths. Feel the stretch. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, arms down. Very nice. Now without support बैठेंगे. Yes, come in table position. Remember to breathe in every posture, whatever we are doing. You have to continue breathing slowly. Never hold the breath until it is mentioned. Okay, cat cow stretch करेंगे थोड़ा सा. Make sure your body is aligned. Wrist, shoulder in one line, knee, hips in one line, hip width apart. Your knees should be hip width apart. Now inhale, look to the ceiling. Exhale, draw your chin to the chest. Inhale to the ceiling. Exhale, draw your chest to the mat. Inhale to the ceiling. Exhale, down. Now come to the child pose. Increase the gap between your knees. Place your forehead on your mat, arms straight. You can join your hands and you will feel the nice stretch in your shoulder. Yes, stay there for a few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, now slowly come back to your table position. Yes, few more breaths in cat cow. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. 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 Now slowly slide to the child pose. Stay there for few breaths. Relax in child pose. Yes. Now slowly walk with your hand in backward. Come to Vajrasana. Now stretch your feet outside. We will do forward fold Paschimottanasana while sitting. Spine straight, legs straight. Slowly inhale, take your arms above your head. Exhale, bend forward. Initially, if you are reaching somewhere in between, then that is also perfectly fine. कहीं पर भी पहुंच रहे हो यहाँ पे that is fine. Make sure your neck is relaxed. If you can reach, then it is also fine. Otherwise, it is also fine like this. Few breaths. Now slowly inhale, stretch your arms above your head. Exhale, arms down. 2 more times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Take few breaths here. Inhale, stretch arms above the head. Exhale, arms down. Last time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Very good. Now we will breathe through our abdomen. You can sit in any comfortable position. Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana. Now, left hand on your stomach, right hand on your chest, so that you can feel your heartbeat and inhale through your stomach. The inhalation should be deep so that आपको stomach move करता हुआ feel हो. When you are inhaling, stomach बाहर की तरफ आ रहा है. When you are exhaling, it is going inside. Just feel that. Inhale, exhale, deep inhale, exhale through your stomach. With every inhalation, stomach is coming out. With every exhalation, stomach is going in. We will do 10 rounds of this abdomen breathing. As I always say, end your practice with your pranayama breathing. Abdomen breathing is something that should definitely be practiced After all the practice of asana stretches. Yes. Now rub your palms. Feel the warmth of your hands on your eyes. Place it on your eyes. Few blinks of your eyes in your hands and open your eyes. Remove your hands from the eyes. इफ यू आर एट वीक 7 तो आपको अपनी बॉडी में ऑलरेडी चेंजेस दिखने लग गए होंगे. कम एंड स्टार्ट इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग दिस फ्रॉम डे 1 and follow for week 8 because we are going to build more strength, confidence and posture correction also. That's all for today. See you next week.